This is going to be about 8 Suites NFT decks, and specifically how to buy and sell using the decks. I'm going to make a second part to this that shows you how to inject liquidity and make your own liquidity pools with NFTs and HBAR and HSweep. I'm going to try to keep this pretty short, so we're going to break it up in 2 parts. So let's get started now. Alright, let's get right into this video. Before we start, I do want to say that all the links you will need for everything we show in this video will be down in the description. So before we start, we have to talk a little bit about Hedera. Most of the applications and the NFT collections which we will show in this video are based on Hedera, which is an amazing blockchain platform. And I wanted to tell you and teach you a little bit about that network. So Hedera, as you can also see, is a decentralized open source proof of stake public ledger that utilizes the leaderless asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance hashgraph consensus algorithm. So in normal words, that means that Hedera hashgraph, which is the official name of the blockchain, is a network, permissionless and well secured, which allows you to have different coins on top of it, but also use applications and trade NFTs. It is governed by a collusion resistant decentralized council of leading enterprises, universities and Web3 projects around the world. Some amazing big companies from Web2 are actually also in this governing council. And the Hedera Governing Council is a fully decentralized and transparent governing body of independent global core organizations consisting of, as I said, enterprises, other Web3 projects, and also universities. So it's really a governing council consisting of different actors who have different priorities and different knowledge. And that makes it amazing. Now we need to talk about HSuite, which is an application, but also a platform built on Hedera. And basically what it is, it's a DeFi tool to enhance the Hedera network. The Hedera network is already amazing, but HSuite actually allows you to do more with the network, do more with Hedera, and it actually has several amazing features, which we will talk about. But before that, I want to remind you that all the links you will need for Hedera, HSuite, and all of the features we will talk about will be down in the description. So a brief overview of what HSuite is. It's basically the most advanced technology smart contract running on Hedera. And it's the most used enterprise-grade public network for you to make digital world exactly as it should be, which is yours. And it's all powered by HBAR, which I didn't say in the beginning, but that's the main coin actually powering the Hedera network. And HBAR is a powerful, energy-efficient cryptocurrency that powers Hedera and the entire decentralized economy behind it. So when you're on their website, hsuite.finance, but again, all the links will be down in the description. What you want to do is you want to go over to launch their decentralized application to actually get onto their platform. So now that you're on their platform, you can see the full extent, features and value of HSuite. As you can see, they have an exchange coming soon, but they already have a launch pad, a token manager, which actually allows you to create your own tokens, an overview of existing DAOs created by HSuite on Hedera, but you also have an NFT decentralized application, which is going to be the main focus of this video. I'll show you how to use this decentralized exchange of NFTs, how to buy and sell your own NFTs from your favorite collections on here as well. So Hedera has some amazing NFT collections. If you actually want to buy an NFT from the NFT decentralized exchange on HSuite, what you want to do is you want to, on the left menu, go to the NFT decentralized exchange, go to collections, pick a collection that you like. I like Dead Pixels Goes Club a lot. You click that and then you pick the NFT that you want to buy. I think personally that this one looks cool. You select that. After selecting that, you click Open NFT Card. And here, if you press Swap, you have to approve the transaction on Hashback. And congratulations, the NFT is yours. Now, buying NFTs, as you can see, is actually quite easy. So then you might ask, well, how do I sell the NFT if I want to trade it in for a little bit more money, or if I want to buy another NFT? Well, easy again. You go over to Collections. You click sell, and then the NFT that you have after logging in, which you have just bought, you can actually again find the NFT card button at the same place where it was when you wanted to buy the NFT. And again, you just click the NFT, press swap, and you have sold the NFT correctly. Alright, so with that, we've reached the end of this video. I told you about Hedera, I told you about HBAR and HSuite and their NFT decentralized exchange. I want to repeat for one more time that all the links you will need for this video will be down in the description. So for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed and subscribe to our channel.